Today we're working on the 2021 Toyota RS6 and we are installing beautiful Eventuri carbon fiber intake on the RS6. Intakes usually aren't the biggest performance benefit, but it is a work of art. And it also comes with turbo inlets, which should flow better than the stock ones. So with that, let's get after it. Yeah, I'm gonna guess we're getting, there's a little thing right here.
Is that screw or something?
No, it's just smart. That's freaking cool. All right, and then all these guys you pop up. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop.
Do you want to take off this side panel without breaking it this time?
So this guy just sneaks under like that, and then you just want to be sure to pull straight up.
So I just need to loosen up this other T30. I think you just loosen it.
From the inlet. These hose clamps are 7mm on the inlets.
Don't pull it out yet. It's not.
T30?
Yeah,
like a T40.
Those are T30. I think.
It's falling out.
Well, can we get the screws out now? Oh no.
I was trying to, but maybe they're captured.
Can you loosen nothing anymore?
Loose there.
Yeah, those let a little more air in.
Pull that up. Boost reference lines. We're gonna have to sneak a T30 and a universal in there. Can I get an amen? I'm gonna want a magnet, I think. There's a little sleeve on the other one too, but
Let's stay in.
yeah, it's in there. How much you want to bet that's gonna be just like getting the PCV off the Golf? Tug of war. Let me just back into this RS3.
That seems like.
You just battle it the whole time.
Somewhere there's an engineer in Germany that's just furious that you compared this to a Volkswagen, even though it is.
This is Audi. I mean Toyota.
This one looks like it should be easy to get to in comparison.
You really think so?
Let me go get you a longer quarter-inch
I don't know how we're gonna magnet this one. Might just try to push it in with the inlet. Come from over here.
There's a hole there.
What in the duck? Look at that. Weirdness. Transfer your gasket.
The passenger side one is the shorter of the two.
Okay, and then there was still that little sleeve thing in here. Never you mind. Boy.
Download your installation guide.
You don't need those where we're going.
This breather attachment is secured with small internal clips. Use a small screwdriver or pick to push the clips back in order to release the tube from the inlet. That's for this. Like the finish off of this.
This O-ring isn't fitting into the right inlet. Dan's just doing a little R&D here. Let's see if we can just clearance that just enough to get that O-ring in there.
This is not mentioned in the install guide, but you know, sometimes we just gotta experiment. Try a little more.
How did all these wires go?
So they say lubricate the inside of the two silicone tubes here to make it easier to slide the airbox in.
Insert comments here where people are like, you used all-purpose grease.
Well, it could be one of its purposes. They're both in.
You get the rubber flap pushed aside.
No. That's what I'm running into.
Push those aside.
I don't know what they mean by pushed aside.
Just like literally
Rip them out of the way.
go like that.
Anyway, so.
Push things in.
You know the alignment of all this. Like that doesn't line up when these line up.
Kind of weird.
Actually, ooh, that's a good sound.
Let's just see if we can get a couple in.
I guess I can just tweak it.
Took you long enough.